All right, Chad, I've marked off on both sides of the car. I think the largest cut that you could possibly use, the way you had it circled, I know there's a separate piece of metal right here. This is the rocker and then more the pillar piece that you said you need. So the way you've got it circled is kind of a swoop kind of in this area. The way I've got it boxed out, I would go back all the way to where there's a seam here on it's like the pillar to the rocker. There's a break in the metal right here. So I put some dotted lines as to where I would come all the way back to this piece of metal and cut all the way through this reinforced rocker with a Sawzall until I get into the floor pan. And then I would follow the floor pan. So I've got a mark here. Let's see if I can back up. So I've got a mark here. That would be, I'd go into the floor pan, make a 90 degree and come up through here. So you'd have like the passenger compartment side of the whole pillar, and not just this piece of metal that separates right here. It'd be this one included. So they could probably take a real big section out instead of multiple little pieces, or whatever might work. Oh, I noticed this one. It's got a couple little Sawzall marks in it from when I cut out the cowl panel. And then same thing kind of here at the windshield post. There's like a factory bracket kind of right here that I put my dotted line all the way around there too. So through the rocker, behind that piece of steel, through the windshield post, above this bracketed piece of steel, and then just come kind of thinly here through the firewall and floorboard until those two make an intersection. I marked this one the same way. Actually, I marked this one a lot wider. I don't know why. Really don't probably need that part of the car, but pretty much same idea. Just thinly on the passenger compartment side of the pillar. You come up here by the windshield, behind this bracket. So just cut it through there. Down in the rocker, I got my marks behind this plate of steel, and then we'll go 90 degrees to the floorboard. So your piece would be that wide by yay tall. And if you need any larger, let me know. If I'm cutting too much, let me know. And then hopefully whichever way it comes off the car, shipping's not really going to change much. But just let me know how those pieces look. Thanks.